Hello garden lovers, welcome to my channel. Today I'll show you all one technique how to grow rose plant from the cuttings. The cuttings from healthy rose plant, and now start removing all the leaves, and very important thing you all should keep in mind not to disturb the area where the new buds are going to emerge. Now wash the cutting with plain water, and now we need to give a cut at the base. Now watch me doing it. And please take care the equipment which we are going to use, the scissor or either the knife, should be cleaned with alcohol so that the plant is not infected. Now we need to apply rooting hormone at the base. Here I have used aloe vera, which is natural. Rooting hormones are also available in the nursery shop, but I have avoided it since they are full of chemicals. This rooting hormone will help the plant to develop the roots faster. Dip the base of the cutting in the aloe vera. The hormone should be applied very nicely, and then we need to plant it in the soil. The soil which I have used is a mixture of coco peat and dry leaves. Poke a hole in the potting medium and then plant the cutting in the soil, and take care not to rub the rooting hormone which is applied at the base of the stem. बुरशी दिसताले पळय हां. Gently form the soil around the cutting and sprinkle some water to maintain the humidity of the soil. And please avoid overwatering, which will harm your plant. Here the new buds are going to pop out, and now we need to cover this with polythene bag. This polythene bag will maintain the humidity of the soil as well as protect our plant. Once the process is complete, it's extremely important to keep the planting in partial shade and not to disturb the plant, but monitor it periodically till new buds emerges. Now I'm going to show you all my previous plant which gave result after 6 days. Before uploading any video, I do multiple experiments with plants, and once the results are out, I share it with you all. Humidity of the soil is well maintained, so no need of adding extra water. These are the two cuttings which I have used. See, the one which is giving me good result, and the other one the buds are yet to develop. You all can plant more than 2 to 3 cuttings. Thank you for watching my video. If you like, please share and subscribe to my channel.